opposite.
You're very modern, uncle.
Direction. Why? Because I know the terms.
Yeah.
It's because I hang out with kids.
Wait.
It's day morning. Just went for a shower. Couldn't record that because I didn't take my camera, but it's quite a walk. Yeah, the showers were paid, so you had to pay like 300 Icelandic. I don't know what the currency is called. And you get hot water for 5 minutes and then the showers turn off. So yeah, you put in a coin in a slot machine and all of that. I should have recorded that. But yeah, nobody needs to see me taking a shower. Oh, also it was a community shower, so 4 showers open. I never want to commit a crime and go to prison, ever. What's in it? Hot water or what? Doing I think now. Thank you, Susie, for the apple pie with a pecan.
I don't even understand what that is.
Breakfast done. Headed to the black sand beach. Let's go. Skeleton of a whale.
This is all lava.
Yeah.
What you're walking on.
Oh.
Crystallized lava.
So how long is this hike gonna be for?
This is 1.5 hour in and out.
Oh, okay,
We're
not too
doing a
bad.
short one. Just the canyon.
Like what, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer?
2 kilometers and more.
Nice. Came from all over there. Made it to the top finally. It's really warm, so all those layers were for nothing.
It is.
Let's try this energy drink out.
It's so soft.
See ya.
That's a dad joke. Where's your dad? That's a dad joke. Burgis.
It's hot, I can't sit with that. I don't like. I don't
Vodka passion fruit. Nice, no?
Vicky, you're not going to eat your pasta if you finish Auntie Vidya. It's okay.
What do you mean? Come on, don't be so near Parameswara. No.
So it's
It's very bad. Just like that.
Well, that was a stressful drive. Not recommended at all. Nice and sunny. I think I've not seen it this sunny in Iceland. Today's been a nice and sunny day. Third campsite now. So I carried my running shoes, the Vomero 18, on this trip, thinking I'll go for runs, but obviously I haven't. Today's day 3 and I'm contemplating going on one now. Well, we'll see. I'll get back to the camper and see how we feel. Fix myself a coffee. Nothing beats a nice old town. I'm thinking I'll finish my coffee, chill for a bit, because I was driving, and man, driving on the right side of the road is so stressful for somebody who has no experience doing it. I didn't realize. Probably also the scale of this camper is quite big, wide, bumpy. The center of gravity is off. Maybe they're just excuses. Time to get a license in Dubai, I guess. Got the mic'd up. Check. Sweet. Got the Vomero 18s on. Alright, let's go. So yeah, I know these are road running shoes and I'm not really on the road. I'm out in the wilderness of Iceland, but hey, I want to put my first few kilometers or miles when I'm out traveling, so I've got the full gear on. Look at that. Budget Ashton Hall. Alright, so even got the Nike Vision Zeus Rise on. Look at that sunlight. Can you believe it though? It's, I don't know if you can see, but it's 8:34 p.m. in the night in Iceland and the sun's shining. I got my glasses on. I don't know if this thing is a beautiful thing or a nightmare, but I'm glad there's no excuses like it's too late to go for a run. The sun's out, run's out. Let's go. We got active track enabled, so I could move my camera around and it would still focus on me, but I'm gonna stop recording and get this run on. Oh, I'm out of breath, but look at that glacier. What a sight. The stream right here, the greenery. I think that's one of our RVs. Where are they headed? The road ahead is blocked, I think. The road ahead has like a barricade and all that.
Yeah, we're turning around. We came to see, we just came to see.
Pepsi. Making sure that I'm running. Yeah. Thank you for the ride.
You're most
Let's see, what's for dinner? What's that?
So lucky.
Egg fried rice, sausages, scrambled eggs, mushrooms. These are the mushrooms that Viken left from his...
Where's the bowl?
I went for my run, it was so hot, I was sweating. And now it's so cold, I'm sitting in the RV having my dinner with my beanie on, the thermal vest on. Man, this weather switches up. By the way, it's 10 p.m. You can still see how much the sun is shining. That's not a light, that's the roof of the RV. The sun is still shining. See you guys. I'm gonna go for my shower and all that. Oops. It's cool. It's so bright. Guess what time it is? It's 11:30 p.m. Oh, there's Manoj back from his shower. Thanks to the gimbal, my video is steady. That's the shower area. And look at the view. You have the ice-capped mountains right there. I made the biggest blunder. I didn't take a towel with me, so I had to use my Yeezy Gap t-shirt to wipe my body down. Yeah, damn stupid. Well, at least the Birkenstocks 2Cs came in handy. Imagine that, right? You come out of the shower and you look at the snow. Something of beauty. Oh man. You know, these days, I just noticed my Whoop. I've not been looking at it. And every day, it's packed with activities. We're getting barely 6 to 7 hours of sleep. And yet my recovery is at over 80%. I'm thinking not being employed has a... Not being employed, not going to work has a big role or a big part to play in my recovery, because there might be days that I go to work, come home and do nothing, and still my recovery is at 40-50%. So it's the absence of stress, I guess. Gotta do something. If I gotta be recovering like this at plus 90% despite being at a hectic day. Whew. Is the universe trying to tell me something? Maybe. Alright, we are at the camper. Time to get to bed. I shall wish you all a good night. And there it is. See you soon.
Receptionist of the army.
Commitment to the job, that's how you build an empire. Man, I keep forgetting to carry my towel when I go into the shower area. Went to brush my teeth, forgot my towel, and now I'm sneezing non-stop. Because it's cold, of course. This is 8 a.m. More sunnier than 11:30 p.m.